Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start a new playlist about the AutoCAD software. This will be consisting of a series of videos, okay, small videos hopefully. Okay, I'll try to make very small videos about each and every step. Okay, and this playlist should be for all the civil engineers, associate civil engineers, and the draftmen, and for mechanical electrical engineers. I'll try to cover all the areas related to AutoCAD software. Okay, so in this first video we will talk about the AutoCAD interface and the software. Actually, the name AutoCAD actually stands for Automated Computer Aided Design. Okay, so here we are going to use computer for making the drawings. Okay, so that is the whole meaning. Okay, this is an Autodesk software. Let's talk about the AutoCAD's interface first of all. Whenever you open the AutoCAD software from the icon present on your desktop after installation, okay, so this interface will appear. Okay, here I have opened a drawing as well. This will not be present in this will be an empty window here. Okay, actually this interface consists of many things. Okay, broadly there are three things. One of them is this area, that is the title area, or you can say the toolboxes are present over here. Okay, the second one, this one is the drawing window. Okay, this black area, or sometime you can convert it to the other colors as well. Okay, and this one, the command area. Okay, here the command window is present, and the different commands you will be using will appear here. Okay, so now talking about each and everything separately, okay, in detail. This first thing, this icon, this A written here in red color, this actually will take you to a pull down menu, that is the application menu. So here you can see new, open, save as. These options will be available, which will be used for saving the drawing, opening new file, and opening the old file, and so on, and then publishing and printing. And similarly, this quick access toolbar will be present here. Okay, this actually refers to different types of tools that can be used. Okay, then in the file menu you can see there is a pull down menu, a lot of commands and things are present over here. Similarly, copy, cut, and views. This is somehow same as that of the MS Word. Okay, where you are using different types of commands. Okay, similarly there is another line of pull down menus. Okay, or you can say pull down ribbons. Okay, so here you can see home, annotation, insert, parameters, views, and these are actually all the commands that you will be using during editing as drawings. Okay, then you can see this cube. Okay, this cube is actually the view cube, which will uh, give you the different view directions in case of 3D drawing. For 2D drawing you will need only this top view. Okay, but if you want to draw a 3D view over here, so then the views should be changed. Okay, and this is simply like you will be clicking on different directions and you will be taking it to the different positions, like rotating it like this. Okay, this is now in the 3D view, so this will be useful for 3D only. And if you are drawing in 2D, so then you will need only a top view. Okay, then the navigation bar. This bar is actually giving you the access to different navigation tools. For example, this pen tool. Okay, this will the hand will appear, and when you click on the drawing you will be able to pen it somewhere else as well. And similarly, these full navigation tools are available, so you can orbit it like this. Okay, and similarly there are other things: zoom, these rewind, plan, lock, and all these things. And similarly, here you have the command window. Okay, whatever command you want to use, that will appear here, and that will give you different informations as well, and time to time you will be able to see at which stage of the command I am here. Okay, for example, I'm using circle command. See, enter. This is the circle command. So you can see, specify the center, specify the diameter, circle command, all the informations are uh, provided to you, okay, while you are doing it. For example, you are drawing a rectangle command, so this is in the drawing window, you will draw this, okay. And similarly here, the different information about that command are given to you. So how you will use it, we will discuss it in detail. Then drawing window status. So here you can see, this is the drawing window status, okay. This will give you different information or the status of your drawing, okay. This is something very important, this area. This is the application status bar, okay. The application status bar give you ability to control your drawing, your editing, your different things in an easy and simple way, okay. There are different tools available over here. I'll discuss them one by one, inshallah, in detail. And similarly here, these numbers are actually giving you the coordinates, okay. So these coordinates are x, y and z coordinates. Like for example, I'm moving cursor somewhere around, so you can see these numbers are getting changed. Look at these numbers, okay. So at the end of this playlist, you will be able to make such type of attractive drawings, and you will be able to make your clients happy with your abilities and your understanding of AutoCAD. Okay, thank you very much.